table looks like. So, I think this is good for more than 10. So, tatlo lang kami guys. Imagine paano namin maubos ang lahat ng mga yan. Pero we would like to thank Steak to Juan for inviting us, being such a good host for this video. Ayun, so umpisan na natin. Gutom na ako. Let's go! Anyway, so ayun guys, this is our table. First of all, what can you say about the food?
Oh, kami pa talaga yung tinanong mo, no? Dahil kami dalawa.
Meat person, di ba?
Oo,
Yes.
yung favorite namin.
So imagine for only 2,499 pesos, makukuha mo na ito yung dalawang klaseng meats.
Yes.
So meron tayo syempre yung kanilang full slab na baby back ribs and yung syempre yung mga all meats natin.
So dito sa kanilang BF3, makakakuha tayo ng 1 full slab na baby back ribs. Yan. Meron tayong grilled T-bone.
Wow.
Meron tayong porterhouse. 2 liempo. Yan. 2 pork steak. 2 pork chop. 3 sausages. And unli rice.
Unli gravy. And at the same time, meron kang 3 pitchers of fresh brewed iced tea. Feeling ko sulit na po.
Yes. So, tamang-tama, Mark, kasi nag-ano na ngayon, mayroong mga events, Christmas party, team building, family outing. So, pwede sa murang halaga. They can take this out.
Kung kayo naman yung medyo tight budget, this one naman, meron tayo dito yung kanilang rib eye. For only 275 pesos, makakatip ka na ng rib eye steak, unli rice, at syempre may soup na rin.
Alam mo yung tipo bang nag-crave ka lang ng steak sa bahay, no? Tapos punta ka dito, no? After Mark, for as low as 125 pesos, magdala ka lang dito ng 125 pesos. Meron ka ng meal.
Wow! So napakamura, imagine, for a steakhouse like this, 125 pesos. Talagang sulit na rin. And budget-wise na rin.
Yes.
So ano yung una yung titikman? 2, 3, go!
Kapatid nga.
Magkapatid nga sila. Aside from the set meal na pinrepare nila sa amin, so meron din tayong mga 2 pasta na pinrepare nila at saka yung kanilang 2 burger. So yung unang tawag doon ay Eiffel Tower Burger. Ito naman ay Chicken Teriyaki Burger. This one is their sizzling sisig bagnet. And nakita natin paano nila piniprepare. Okay, so aside from that, in front of me is yung kanilang beef pares. Ito. So since nandito na rin to, tikman na natin. Let's get it on! Cheers! Oh, malambot. Grabe, yung lambot ng meat. Sobrang lambot ng meat. Located pala to dito sa may Don Ramon, Barangay San Agustin, City of San Fernando Pampanga. They just recently opened. So, bagong-bago po yung restaurant na to. Actually, this is their 7th branch. Nag-umpisa po siya sa La Union. And then they've, scattered all throughout Batangas, Caloocan, Banda South. And then this is their first restaurant dito po sa Pampanga. Ayan. Fairness actually, walang halong biro. Malambot pa rin siya. Although nag-stay na siya ng few minutes habang nagsusit tayo, it stayed tender and juicy. Good job.
Okay!
So ayun guys, another place for you to check out. But before we give you the details, brother, ano yung mga nagustuhan mo doon sa
Yes,
sinurf nila?
ako nagustuhan ko yung kanilang, first of all, syempre yung rib eye.
Wow.
Pangalawa, yung kanilang burger na
Yes.
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Yes. Hindi naman ako the burger person, pero talagang nag-enjoy ako doon sa nila, burger na yun.
Okay, so actually, ang dami nyo pong pagpipilian doon sa mga sinurf nila sa amin. Pero sa akin, isa sa mga nag-stand out, parang coming from behind, parang mga ganyan, yung pares nila.
Oh.
And again, just to mention po, masarap pa rin yung mga steaks na sinurf nila sa atin. And to let you know, mga imported po yun.
kung kayo naman yung gustong tikman, si Steak to One,
Yes.
located lang ito din sa may Don Ramon, San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, and they are open from 11 a.m. hanggang 10 p.m. every day.
Wow, mahaba-haba yun.
Yes.
Ayun po. So if you are interested to know more about this, check out the fan page we're gonna be including. And if you like this video, if you like the footage on this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye guys.